So I will share my screen.
Yeah.
Let me know once you see my screen. Yes, sir. So we were at these first three items we have already completed in our yesterday's session. We went through
Yes.
some brief introduction. We went through the schematic, creating a schematic of a sample circuit, and then we created a layout. So I think in yesterday's session we have covered all these three items. In today's session we will be focusing on, first we'll go through the yesterday's assignment, and we will see what is the progress on that, and how many people have completed, and what are the different questions we have from the people. And then we will walk through item number 4, 5, 6, and hopefully 7. So please go ahead, guys, and let me know if you have completed. I mean, how much it is completed. So yesterday assignment was to create a LED chaser. Am I right, sir? Suresh, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
go ahead and present. Please present your this thing, your workspace, and we will see how much it is completed, and then we'll go ahead with the question answers for yesterday's
Yes.
session. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Here self also completed. Somebody people's almost maximum 10 to 15 people also should be completed, sir.
Very good, very good. So please spell out, guys. Please introduce yourself that I have completed this much, and just within some 30 to 40 seconds, you just show on the screen. So let everyone will be aware that how much you have completed. We won't take more than 2 to 3 minutes. Just go ahead and present.
Yes, sir.
So
The one people's also.
Mr. Murugan,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
maybe please, yeah, apart.
I will show. I will show the screen.
Yeah,
Sir.
please go ahead.
This is schematic I
Mm-hmm.
done
Mm-hmm.
yesterday. Yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
this one
Mm-hmm.
using the triple five timer and 4017 decoder.
Super,
Uh,
super.
done it.
Mm-hmm.
After that, this is the my layout. I done it. It is more difficult for SCC. I using only single layer. For that,
Mm-hmm.
it is more difficult. The routing is done.
Yeah,
If it is
yeah,
the
yeah.
yeah more LEDs there.
Mm-hmm.
My 3D view will be look like this.
Very good, sir. I think very nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next person. I think, yeah. Do you guys have any? I mean, observation on this layout? If anyone has, please go ahead and put your observation. Or maybe next person can go ahead. Suresh, sir. Are you,
Sir, yes, sir. This is visible.
yes. Uh, we are not able to see apart from your logo. I'm able to see your logo, but I don't know about.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. VI Micro logo. VI Micro System logo.
Yeah. Go ahead and
Yeah.
present. Yeah, this layout,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Now are you possible to visible to see our I mean
Layout.
our system presentation?
No, no. I'm able to see only a logo. How about other
The logos,
guys? Murugan, are you able to see it?
sir. Yeah, logo only, sir. I seeing logo only.
Yeah, yeah.
There is no any screen. For
மருது
full
பண்ற
screen,
நீங்க ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
sir. No stop sir.
Ah,
Stop percentage
just a
okay.
minute. Yes.
Full screen present.
Maybe if there is two screens, sir, then there will be problem. Now I think you're able to see something.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes. Now it is possible to view our schematics, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm able to see it.
Yes, sir. This is our schematics. So this is based on triple by IC and decoder, LED chasing schematic circuit.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, we are making for some, layout section.
Mm-hmm.
So this is for our layout section. So
Mm.
after this, so maybe we are, maybe it's not possible to trying to single layer PCB.
Mm-hmm.
So I will also trying for the double side PCB also.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, 3D view. So making for some
Mm-hmm.
single layer and double layer also.
Mm-hmm. Very good, sir. I think, yeah. I think
Yeah, good.
Murugan layout is in single layer, and this is in two layer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Still good.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll go ahead next. Whoever wants to present, please go ahead, guys. So Vicky is presenting, and yeah,
Sir, are you able to see my schematic?
yeah, we
Yes,
are.
Yeah.
yes.
I'm able to see, sir.
Yes. Same thing, schematic only. The 555 IC and
Hmm.
um,
Can you please zoom in,
40.
Murugan, Vicky? Can you please zoom in the
Yes, sir.
schematic? Further zoom in. Make it
Yes,
little
sir.
big
Yes.
so that text should be visible. Keep it in center of your screen. You're sharing something, but yeah. Just use the scroll bar and multiple times, and that should be visible. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. I think
Yes.
yeah, you have yeah. So now you can go to the
This is
layout.
my layout, sir, but I didn't 100% completed.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I have got some tracks has to be completed. I didn't find any route for that actually.
I see. I see.
It's
So there are.
I tried in yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go ahead. There are three reds.
Yes.
I'm able to see. Those are
Uh,
unconnected.
yes, sir. I think five tracks. I think
Yeah.
5 tracks I didn't complete. I still trying. If I used double A means it will be completed. So I'm
Yeah.
trying.
So I see pin
A
number
lot of
one.
lot
Yeah.
of time. Yes, a lot of time
Mm.
I tried it differently, but
Uh-huh.
this is the final one I got.
Super, super. No, very nice effort. Very
Uh,
nice effort. Yeah, we can see this. Okay, very good.
yes, sir. This 3D view, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, placement is perfect. Not in all in
Nice.
single line, but yeah, looks perfect. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Vicky. Yeah, go ahead. Go
Yes.
ahead, guys. Next person. So far, Murugan and Suresh sir and Vicky. These three people have presented. If anyone else wants to go ahead, please go ahead, or we'll move forward. Anyone else here? Please raise your hand, or else I will assume. I think yeah, no one else is there. Suresh sir, only the three persons are working, including you.
No, sir. Maximum 10 people also should be completed yesterday because we are a group
Could
of
you
people only
yeah could
trying
you
to
take
get
the
output.
feedback? No, could you please take the feedback? What is the progress? What is the state? I mean, is there any question, clarification? We can cover all those here itself before going to next thing.
Hello, Jay Prakash, Jamil.
Sir,
Mr.
I
Jay.
have a small doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
I just
Just you present your outputs.
ah,
Go ahead, Jay Prakash. We are waiting for you.
that, can you visible, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. It's visible.
we are able to see the circuit.
Ah, so this is the schematic, sir.
Mm-hmm. Very good, very good.
But I didn't complete 100%, sir.
No issue. This is
Uh,
perfect.
uh,
Whatever so far you have
okay, sir.
done is good. At least
Uh,
you
uh,
have covered both the parts. That's more
so
important.
this is the 3D view, sir.
Very good, very good. Yeah, it's not in right order. It should
Ah,
have been
ah,
yeah,
ah.
yeah. But I think you have done some placement. You attempted some routing. At least you got used to
Ah.
the tool. That is more important than whether you have completed or not. Yeah, very good. I
And
think. Do you have any
I
question?
also have
Hmm.
and I also have a small doubt, sir.
Hmm. Go ahead.
So in yesterday's section, you have add like a tool like add sheet you declare it, sir, right?
Which one?
Example, add sheet in a schematic. You tried a tool like this section. So add a sheet and you create like that box.
Oh, modular block diagram. You are saying modular.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like that. You if you copy that means if you change that any of the circuit means it
Hmm.
will change all of the circuit, right?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So that have a field name, right, sir?
Ah. Okay. Yeah.
So if we change the field name means it will separated or the copy thing will be come, sir.
If you change the field, what I'm understanding from your
Ah,
statement is, if you change the block name, that's the field name you are calling, right? So if you'll change that,
yeah, sir.
yeah, if you change the block name, it will change the block name for all. So I think you should have
Ah,
given a try, but here I think in this schematic it is not necessary.
okay, sir, okay.
That was one feature which I just tried to cover as versatile things as possible. So I just used that thing, but that is not necessary. You can use that
Ah,
always. Yeah, what you have done is
okay,
correct.
sir.
It's just a simple single stage schematic, a single page schematic. And
Yes, sir.
when you have to repeat something multiple times, let us say some rectifier section or some particular schematic which you have to repeat multiple times, for those you can go
Ah,
modular. That will be time saving and that will be helpful.
yes, sir, sir.
Here
So
what you might
that's
have
clear.
done, you might have created
Ah,
a block for the register and
mm, mm.
I think there is no option here for the pointer. I think
Okay,
no
okay.
issue. I think it's fine. Whatever you have done is fine, just fine. If you have any question
Okay,
about
sir.
that one, you can ask. Did you understand
Okay, sir,
yesterday's
okay.
concept of creating blocks, modular blocks, or you have any
Yes, sir,
question
yes, sir.
there?
I understand that.
Sure. I think maybe
Ah,
going forward we'll have some assignments on those also, and I think you guys
okay,
can
sir,
maybe
okay.
give an attempt. Very good. I think yeah. If any other question, you
Thank
can
you,
ask.
sir. No, sir, no, sir. Sir. No.
Yeah, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. We are not sitting in NASA's rocket launching center. Okay. Guys, go ahead. Next, Suresh sir. Now it's your, yeah. It's your, I mean, call. You just call whoever wants to present, or else we'll go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, Mr. Jamil, you can
So,
present now. So are you finished now? You can present now.
so Jamil or PC என்ன இருக்கு சார் நான் பிரச்சனை பண்ணுறேன் சார் இங்கே லேப்டாப் என்னிட்ட தான் இருக்குது நான் லேப்டாப்பில் ஸ்க்ரீன் காமிச்சிடுறேன்
Yes, okay. Sir,
இது
Mr. Jamil, yes, sir, yeah. Mr. Jamil attended for via mobile phone. So
Mm-hmm.
yesterday he will be done for our in our office in a laptop. So that laptop
Mm-hmm.
now is showing for the result now.
so this is the 3D view.
Mm-hmm.
I see him here. You can see him here. This will be lab, I think.
Yeah. I
This
think you
is
can make
3D
it
view.
further closer, sir, to the camera.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, that way, that way. Yeah, let's keep this way. Fine. I think it's fine, sir. The yeah. Layout wise, I think it's looking good, but yeah, routing wise, is it in one layer or two layer?
It is completed. I will say.
Can you just show that view also?
It is not completed. He tried a single layer.
Very good, very good. I think it looks
Some of the
it's,
limbs.
yeah, very challenging. Very nice. Yeah, I think the people have given attempt. They have put effort. That's more important. Yeah. Thanks. I think yeah, good, Jamil. Go ahead, Suresh sir. Yeah, you can call out next
Hmm.
person.
Yes, yes, sir. Mr. Abin,
Hello, sir.
yes, yeah, it is possible
Sir,
to try to show your output.
yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
actually, I have done it in my office PC, but the last routing part is not available right now. I will be sharing in the group. But actually, I have done this hierarchical type part in schematics only in my laptop.
Super,
That's
super.
why
Hmm.
I can show you one.
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I will.
Go ahead, Abin.
Sir, this is what I have created. I have separated this
See, awesome, awesome, awesome.
triple
Yeah,
five part.
yeah,
triple five part here. It have this clock out, and this 4017 counter will take this clock in, and it will output this LED part. I thought of adding a single LED as a hierarchy, and just try to replicate it this 10 times, but actually I failed in this
This
part.
is no, it's not failed. This is also perfect. This is also very good. You have now 10 LEDs as a single group. Yeah, go ahead. Go into each schematic, and then you can go to layout next. Just
Yes, sir. This in this trip, I have done this. It will be having the VCC and ground, and this is giving this clock out. And
see.
for the 4017, it will be like this.
Very nice. Very nice.
And for this LED, I have done like this.
Perfect. Yeah. This is how it should
I have
be.
also done completed the routing part also, but in the single layer itself, I have completed the routing also. But I have copied that project file. But when it is opening, it is giving some unfortunately some problem that like error is coming. And
if you have any question, you can go ahead. You can ask right away. We'll try to answer.
And this routing is not here.
Perfect, Abhin. Yeah, your schematic is like I really like that schematic. The way you have built it, that's how it should be. It should be block wise, modular, so that there is no need for block diagram. By looking at the root page itself, you can understand what schematic it is going to be. One thing is you draw some schematic, and people will put their mind to understand for what application that. But by looking at this block diagram, are you agree, Suresh sir, that this is better than so far what we have seen?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is the separation, na. Very fine.
Yeah, it's looking like a block diagram. You don't need any separate block diagram. This itself is a block diagram. Very nice.
Yes,
very nice.
Whatever maybe you done, na, the same they will be follow, na.
Yeah, yes, very awesome, sir. I really liked it. And layout wise also the placement is very good. I really appreciate that the placement you have done is very good. Very nice. That's how the LED should be in order. Now the routing part is going to be challenging. I think that that you will.
I have arranged like this. This part will go in the top side, and all. I have arranged in different way. I will share that in this group.
Sure. No issue. Whenever you complete this, and if you are interested to show, you can show it. If you have any question, you can ask here, or we'll move forward to the next person.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question was, this is available for auto routing, sir, in our KiCAD.
No. I will never recommend to use auto routing.
Yes.
Forget about auto routing.
Yeah. Okay.
My recommendation is please don't use auto routing. Let the tool be matured. Let it be some few more years. After that, I think maybe we will be able to use. There is some shortcomings. That's why I would say let us not waste time on things which are not matured.
Okay. After getting some experience, we will go preferred for the auto routing.
No. Auto routing is never preferred.
Okay. Fine.
So that's why my feedback would be. Yeah. Is there any other question? Yeah, you can go ahead, sir. Abhin, if you have any other question, you can go ahead and ask.
Yes.
No, sir.
If not, we can move to next person, Suresh sir. Or if list is done, we can move forward to our session. Yeah, it's on in it's on. Yeah, command is given to you, Suresh sir. So please.
Yes. Mr. Saravanan, are you finished for your assignment?
Yes, sir. I have completed assignment yesterday. I am at home, sir. Today I am laptop எடுத்துட்டு வரலைங்க வீட்டுக்கு.
Okay, just watching for your mobile phone only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem, sir. So actually, this today is a holiday, na, because somebody people who worked in our office, so they used it for the PC or laptop, na. So this is unable to show now. So because the already shown people they have for the own laptop. So somebody people is not available.
So do you want to wait for more people to cover in the next session, or you want us to move forward?
Yes, sir.
It's
now
all up to, whatever you say, just we'll do it, sir. If you.
Yes, sir. Now move forward because I know for very well somebody person is not available for the laptop now. So maybe yesterday I seen for somebody people's also got done for this assignment. So today it's not possible to show to you. So now we can move forward, sir. No issue.
Sure. So we'll now what we'll do, we'll move forward and we'll cover other sessions. Sure.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So yeah, very good, sir. So far after the review, the result is Murugan has a better layout. He has tried to complete the routing within a single layer, and yeah, more technicality to it we can cover in future. But for now, I think it looks promising. It was good. So Murugan is the winner for layout, and Abin is the winner for schematic. He has used very intelligent way, and yeah, it was very nice. So now we'll move forward, and I will try to share my screen. I think okay. I think you are already seeing my screen, you guys. I think.
Yes, 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 sir.
Sure. So let me go to the KiCAD. Sorry, our list. So here is our list. The next item is symbol creation, and then footprint creation, and 3D mapping. Yeah. So these three things we will try to cover today, and if time permits, we will cover the simulation part also. So now we'll go to symbol creation and then footprint creation, and 3D mapping will be covered in between these two. So a separate session if needed we'll cover, or else we'll just this will be part of 0.4 and 0.6. Sorry, 0.4 and 0.5. So let us go to the tool first. So here is our tool, and let us create one more project today. New project. We'll call it as project 2. So now we have project 2, and this is empty project. Nothing is yeah, done so far. But before even starting the project, let us say if you want to make sure that we have all the components ready, so for that you should make sure that your library is up to date, and whatever component you are going to use in this project too, those all are available. If they are not, either you can create those manually, or your customized version of your symbol and the footprint, or you can, if you know the part number of that component which you are going to use, you can go to Mouser, or yeah, or DZ key or Snappedia. There are many things. I mean, from the TI and from Ultra Librarian. So I have just named some of the popular guys, popular vendors, so you can download from there. So let us see, if you go to Mouser, do you have any component in mind, Suresh sir?
Yes, sir.
Or any other guys? Please yeah, recommend any component which you want to create, or if you are already
Sir,
have.
transistor, sir.
Yeah. So what is the transistor name? MPN.
BC547.
Sure.
BC547.
So we'll go to BC547. That's NPN BJT.
Yeah.
So first thing what we'll try to do, we'll try to download the existing component from existing component footprint and symbol models from the internet, and we'll try to use it. Okay. So the first website we have chosen is Mouser. So now please who and all are working in parallel with me. Can we know? Yes, sir. Should we know? I mean, yeah. Guys, please go ahead and yeah. Murugan is live working with me, and anyone else, whoever is working, please guys make sure that you have created an account in Mouser. If not, please create an account here, or see this Mouser components. Let us say if you take this BC547, or if you want to do some filtering, you can do that. Like the components should be in stock, it should be in active, I mean in production. You want to do some price sorting so that you get the cheapest price component, and your package is TO92. Let us say this is TO92. Let us say if you are going to use this component, so make sure that this ECAD model, you see this both symbols here in this ECAD model column. Once you go to this page, once you click here to the manufacturer part number, it will bring you to this page, and here you should be able to see the same symbols, ECAD models. Now what these two are, the first one is symbol, schematic symbol, and the footprint, and the second one is 3D. So when you click here, you should get these three views. First one is schematic, second one is, yeah, it's symbol, it's written here, symbol, footprint, and 3D, how it is going to look like. So when you hit here download CAD model, make sure that by default it will be selected. So they have different 3D models, but .stp or .step or step, by simply it is called a step file, this must be selected. And when you hit download CAD model, it will ask you for the login. You should have created one account, then only it will, I think. If you're not, you have to create an account. Guys, you do in parallel in background. I have already created, so I'm just going to log in. See, when I log in, it is downloading the models. So is it done? Should we wait for some time for people to create the account and log in, or we should go ahead? So what I have done, I have logged into my account and I have downloaded the models here. The name is lib_bc547c. Murugan,
Yes, sir.
are you able to do it?
Yeah, creating the account.
Sure. Suresh sir, what's the progress?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now going to create the account because account is not available.
Yeah, create it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Vicky,
Yes, sir. I'm also creating the account, sir.
yeah. See, I will name some of the, meanwhile I will give you some names. So please create one account in all these, in all this portal. So what will happen? Let us say if you're not getting some footprint in one vendor, and you can find in some other vendor. So those guys are, if you go to TI, Texas Instrument, these guys follow Ultra librarian. Let us say they have latest some ADC, I think it is. So here, once you come here, CAD symbols and 3D footprints, here you can see there is a Ultra librarian. So when you hit here, it will bring you to vendor ultralibrarian.com, and here it will tell whether the symbol is found or not. So the most popular, I think, the guy is the ultra librarian. Oh, so you should create an account here. Yeah, share the link into the chat box so that it will be useful for you guys. another guy is Semaxis. So I think this is the vendor actually. How you will spell, I don't know. Semaxis, let us call it as Semaxis for now. So Semaxis. So yeah, this is another vendor. Oh, this guy. Okay, Arjun Sanjay. Yeah, here also you can find the symbols and this thing. So right now, when you are downloading from Mouser, it is downloading uh, the symbol and footprint and 3D these things, 3D models from Semaxis. And when you download from TI, it will download from Ultra Librarian. So they have the internal link, so they are allowing you to download from this. But the original vendor names are Ultra Librarian, Semaxis, and SnapEDA. Got the point? Or there is any doubt? So you should be having account with all these three guys at least. Yeah, including Texas Instrument, Mouser. Yeah, of course. I mean the actual manufacturer of your component, you must have the account so that you can download all the simulation, SPICE models as well as the component library model. Done? Everyone is on the same page now? Or like, yeah, someone is leaving behind. Suresh sir, Murugan?
Yes, sir. Now account created, sir.
Account created. So please go
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
this link and download this. Maybe I will share this link also, so it will be useful for you guys to just hit a single click and download it. Now you please go to this link and download the model. The same way I have downloaded. After downloading, what we are going to do, we will go and import these models in our KiCAD.
.stp file we have to download, right, sir? .stp.
Yes, .stp. By default, it will come up. In case if it is not there or not coming up, then you have to be, you have to make sure that, I mean, you search on other vendors. If it is not there or different format is selected, you have to correct it to .stp. Yes. Sometimes some situation will come where you won't find the STP file, 3D model. You find only the
Sir,
footprint
you
and symbol.
just downloaded file just .stp only, na, sir?
No. Maybe just you just click on, you don't click on this one, you have to click on this button, download CAD models.
Oh, download CAD model.
Yeah, it will download the symbol, footprint and STP file, which is called the 3D model. These three files it will download.
Oh, okay.
Please hit on this button, not the right side one. So I think BC 547 is already there, should be there in our library. Now we'll go to the tool. Everyone is done? Everyone is listening here, or or you guys are working in background? I'll wait for you guys to give attention here.
Sir, please show me one more time, sir. I mean, Mouser link.
Yeah, this is the Mouser link. I think I have shared in the chat box, sir. You please go to the chat box.
Oh, Mouser link only, na?
Mouser
Yes,
link
yes.
I have shared in the chat box. Go to the chat box, and here you can click. Once you click here, this window will open, and then in this window you have to go to ECAD models.
KiCAD model. Okay,
ECAD models. You have to click on this. Once you click here, you should see this window. And then you should hit on this button, download CAD models. Mr. Murugan, other CAD engineers, guys, please be vocal. At least you just interact yes or no by saying yes or no.
Sir, we following, sir.
Very good, very good. Other person like
Sir, I
Vicky.
am just using Ultra Librarian, sir.
Very good. So you found the model there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the format will be different. So let us not
Yes,
confuse.
sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, don't confuse. So that's why whatever we are following, let us follow the same thing so that you won't confuse. There won't be much difference, but you should not confuse because the folder architecture.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
it should not be. Yeah, it should be in sync. Okay, very good. I think if you are able to follow, or if you have any question, let me know. Suresh sir,
Okay,
shall
sir.
we go ahead now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone
Move
has
forward.
downloaded the model. It should look like lib_bc547c, and for wiki it will look like ul underscore something. When it comes from ultra librarian, the prefix will be ul underscore. So
Okay, sir. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
if you have that folder, it will be zipped format. You take it to your main project directory. Oh, we have created a wrong place. Okay, leave it, doesn't matter. So we'll keep it under okay, we'll keep it here. We'll create another folder and we'll call it as a library, and inside library we will create another folder called source. See, there is a architecture, folder architecture you can create. It will be useful for you for our all library mapping and handling. So I am just using this folder called library, and inside library I have created one source. So whatever the data I have downloaded from internet, I am going to keep under the source, and I am going to call another folder called custom. When I say custom, that means whatever custom library we are going to create, we are going to keep under this. So let us extract this guy here. Once you extract it, you will see license and this bin file and then bc547c folder. Inside bc547 you will see this so many things. Just do Control A, uncheck 3D, uncheck CAD, and you can delete everything. Everyone has reached till this point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Reach, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, I
So now you
understand,
can
sir.
see
Yeah,
once
yes,
you
yes.
once you have downloaded the model, sir, it has model for everything like Allegro, Altium, all the popular like DeepTrace, Eagle, EasyEDA. I mean, there are many tools: Arcade Allegro 16, Proteus, SolidWorks. So it has this many formats. Right now, which tool we are using, sir?
KiCAD.
So let us uncheck KiCAD and
Sir,
uncheck.
I
Yeah, do not select 3D. Yeah, go ahead, sir. If you have any question.
sir, I have issue, sir. You share a link for Musor. I click it. I can't download, sir. It requires account. I already create account, but I give the details. It will not log in.
I see. I see. So you have clicked on this window, sir.
Yeah, I click the
Yeah.
window.
So please share your screen so that we can see what you are doing. I mean, what's happening there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Sir, I click this window. Click this link. After that, I go here. I click this.
Yeah. So click there.
After it is in the step,
Now you should
I
click
click
on
download.
download.
It asks username and password. I already created a username and password. I enter here.
Is it caps? Starting with caps?
Yeah, sir. It will be starting with caps. Same
Super.
problem. I asked one another person. Vicky is there. I asked him. He also facing the same issue like that. He said.
We'll see. We'll see. No problem. Just enter that.
After that, I sign
No
in.
issue. I
Again,
got
he
the
asked you.
I got where is the problem. Just please go to your chat box. There is a
Yes,
Symaxis link.
yes, sir.
Symaxis, yes. Please go there. So have you created account in Symaxis or Mouser?
The mouse only I created.
Yeah,
I
yeah, I will create
will
here
wait,
also.
sir.
With same username
Yeah, okay,
and
sir.
similar password, you try to create here also.
Yeah, will, sir. I will create it after that. I will come.
Yes, yes. Please try that. Sure.
Yeah, okay.
So we'll wait. Just do it as quicker as possible.
Yes, okay.
Sure. So guys, meanwhile, I will just try to explain. I think I have already explained that there are many other tool libraries are also there, but we are interested only in KiCAD, and our tool is only KiCAD, so that will be only useful, and 3D file. So rest others will delete. It's not required. Just hit delete. It will go away. So what is inside in these two folders? What should be there? 3D means it is going to have the step file, the 3D model of your component, which is .stp, and in KiCAD it should have two components. One is your footprint, another one is your symbol. So here you can see it is very clearly mentioned KiCAD underscore SYM. SYM is symbol, and underscore mod, that is footprint. Rest others you ignore for now, because there are many other ways to import the library. So for those purpose this files are there. So these two are your main important files. So this is symbol, this is your footprint, and here is your 3D model. So once Murugan and Vicky will be ready, maybe we'll go ahead from here. We'll wait for those guys' confirmation. See, let me make you clear that I have not copied any file inside this custom. Manually, you should not copy and paste any file inside this your custom library. This all file linking, everything will be done by the tool. So whatever is inside the source, let it be there. This has your all original files for all the tools, and this folder has only for KiCAD. Murugan?
Yes, sir. I created, sir.
Yeah,
Confirm.
and just try to download. Maybe you can share the screen so that we can see the progress. No, that's a very good ask, because once you hit download, the username and password what is asked for is for Symaxis. Might be, yeah. I don't know. Let us see what happens. Murugan, share your screen.
Yes, sir. I will. Yes, sir. I created account in Symaxis, sir. It will
Okay.
look like this.
Okay.
This is Symaxis. Again, I will go to same link, sir.
Yeah,
Most
go
of-
there. Maybe you can log into Symaxis also, or here, yeah, fine. Have you logged into Mouser first?
Yeah, I already logged in, sir.
Yeah, so
login.
yeah, it's saying that you have
Yeah,
not verified the account. Go to your
here
email.
this is the account.
Yeah, both you. Yeah,
Maybe
just
email.
make sure that accounts are working.
Yeah, I created. I already created this one. I verified it.
Verify your email.
Symaxis.
Have you
Yeah,
hit
I
the success
already.
button?
hit the button, sir. Yeah, this is after the verification. It will be like this Mosor. In Mosor, look like this.
Yeah, not needed. I
First
think
name.
these things once it has shown on green color confirmation, no acknowledgement that your account is verified. After that, these things are, I think, additional information it might ask.
So,
You might,
I
I think you might skip this. Not, it's not necessary.
here I want to put a Mosor or Simasis.
Because okay, try Simaxis now. Mouser you
Yeah,
have
okay.
already tried.
Yes, sir.
No, again you try.
Right.
Again you try. Just cancel it. Cancel it. Close the window. Reload the page. Alex, I think Alex or someone else was there, no?
Vicky.
Vicky, have you tried doing the same?
Yes, sir. In Mouser, yes, in Mouser, I created the account and also I verified it. But while downloading, it is actually didn't show any error. Just I clicked the, I put the username and password. Nothing happens. Just again, it's showing that same username password screen. In Mouser page.
Suresh sir, for you, how did it work? How did it work?
Sir, actually, we have downloaded for just a STP only, sir, and the symbol and the print not downloaded. So account also verified, sir. Actually, so 3 files should be not downloaded. Only
See,
one
it is
file only.
working now.
Maybe
It is working for
Yeah,
Murugan now.
Yes, sir. It is working now.
So you have created an account in Simaxis. You have
Yes,
you have reloaded the page. You went to the again phrase session and then it worked. Okay.
I think here Mosor account created an account. You ask mail ID and username and password. Here I go to the login. It asks username, so that I give username and password. It will not login. After that, I give mail ID and user password. It will go. Username,
mail
it is
ID.
not username. It's a mail ID you want to give.
It's email ID. Yeah.
Mail ID. Yes, mail ID is the username actually.
Sure.
Yeah,
So
but-
Murugan,
yeah,
Vicky, and Suresh sir and other CAD people, please follow the same and make sure that you have downloaded the model. Once you guys are done, please.
I had the same issue, sir. Sir, I
go
had
ahead.
the same issue, but in this, when we click this in Mouser, when we click this CAD part, a pop-up will be opening. And first I tried to log in using Mouser account. It was not logging in. Then it is showing an option, not registered, create a free account. This first one.
Sure.
When I register in that one, it is going in.
Yeah, it's done now.
I was able to download also.
Still not able to download?
Yes, I was able to download.
Yeah, so you have also downloaded. Okay. Suresh sir, what about you?
yes, sir. Now again, yes, sir. Now yes, sir, downloaded it, but again I'm trying to.
Yeah. I think I should have told you these things yesterday itself. You should not wasted this some 20 minutes time. Okay. So now, please do it as soon as possible, sir. So that we can, you can go ahead and go forward. So guys, you extract you keep that files into a separate folder. You create a library folder wherever you want. And inside the library you create two folders called custom and source. Murugan, Vicky.
Yes, sir. I created source.
Yeah, just acknowledge yes or no if you guys are hearing. So inside source you just keep those folders, or maybe in source also what you can do, you can create another folder called Simaxis or Mouser. You just call it as Mouser because we have downloaded from Mouser. Keep all these things inside Mouser. So this is just work organization. This is nothing. There is nothing technical here. You can keep anywhere you want. But at the end, if your all libraries mess up and you cannot share those library, you cannot back up those library, it will be all like a kind of a big mess and you will be struggling later at later point. So it's better to have a good organization of the files so that you can easily yeah, once you create the library, it creates other folders also, so you should not mix up with all those. That's what was the main concern. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sure.
yes. சார் லைப்ரரி சுரேஷ் சார் லைப்ரரி
Yes.
ஷேர் பண்ண முடியுமா?
லைப்ரரியா நான் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
எனக்கு டவுன்லோட் சரிங்க.
ஜஸ்ட் நான் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஜிப்பில் அனுப்பி தரேன்.
ஓகே.
எஸ், நான் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே. நான் இதுலேயே போட்டுட்டேமா உங்களுக்கு?
குரூப்பில் போகிறேன்.
குரூப்லேயே போட்டுறேன்.
Yeah, so this part is very important because library creation takes almost, I think, more than 60% of the time, 60 to 70% of the time. Drawing a schematic and importing to a layout and doing layout and routing, all those stuff takes rest 40% of the time. So library is very important. Why it is important? Because any mistake in your library, you may not be able to track at later point of time. So what important here is, are you guys hearing or doing something in background?
Yes, sir.
No, once you are engaged in locally, please let me know. I will wait for the time.
Go ahead, sir.
So you are done, Murugan? You are following?
Yes, sir. I done.
Sure. Vicky?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I shared the library, sir. I created and put the library for some folder.
Yeah, if you have a local, I think you can share locally. Better, I think, yeah, better you guys, I think you. But yeah, but it's always better to know the process from where this library comes.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Suresh sir, shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir. See,
Yeah. So once you download the library, what's the first job you should do is, if you download the data sheet of that component. Let us say if this is the component, this is the library we have downloaded, this is the data sheet, and we should make sure that the pin nomenclature is correct. So your first pin is collector, second is base, and third is emitter. Guys, speak up. I'm not able to hear any voice.
Yeah, okay, sir.
It's not YouTube video. I want to make it more interactive. You guys ask more questions if you have any. Yeah. So please speak up. So there is a collector, base, and emitter. This pin nomenclature you should make sure it is correct. Otherwise, it will be disaster. At the end, you will get a wrong layout. You might need to do another revision. So here at this stage, I would say 80% of the chance happens at this stage while creating the library. And you should not trust any library which you download from the internet. Mostly Mouser library won't be corrupt, but when you download it from this guys, Snap EDA and other third-party libraries which you might not be confident with, let us don't take the risk and make sure that your pin nomenclature is correct. So first pin is collector, second is base, third is emitter. Why I am saying this? Because in your when you do a library import, those things will be auto mapped. You need not to do assignment, pin assignment, like we do in Orchid. Now we'll go to the next stage, guys. I assume that you have already downloaded and created a folder, and you have kept the library inside these folders, Mouser folder.
Yes,
You will copy this path. Please copy this path and be ready for the next step. Now go to the yeah.
One small.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. The fold name should be the same as you used, like can
It's not hard and fixed rule. I'm saying this folder name I am creating so that it should not create chaos in future. If you have mess up library, mess up structure, you can keep in download also, doesn't matter. But why I am saying, because 3D file, let us say it is here .stp file. This we are not going to copy from here and put it some other place manually. That is also possible. This also can be imported, but it will unnecessarily keep multiple duplicate files and it will kill your space in your hard drive, in your computer.
Yes.
So to safeguard that, yeah, you safeguard that, you should know that what files are critical and which are not critical. So all critical file you should not touch. If you touch any critical file, your library is screwed up. You will not be able to use any component from there. If you lose that, your 3D will be missing, your footprint will be missing, something will be missing in later point of time. So to make the things intact, not scattered, we are following this structure. If you want, you can follow. If you don't want, you may not follow. But yeah, I mean, you should not follow. But the problem is you should know that how you are handling your files. If you are confident that my files are intact, it's not necessary you follow this. So just follow the best practice what I am saying right now. Later point of time you explore yourself what is better than this. If you find any way, you can of course you can choose that. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. So copy this path. If you're not created, I would again reiterate, inside library you create 2 folder, custom and source. Done. All guys please say yes or no.
So exactly, so the library file should be transferred to KiCAD system only, sir.
Yeah, and library should be there are 2 things. Okay, see, there is something called global library, something called local library, some project library. You can create that way also, but for now we will cover the global version one. So that once you create the library, you can reuse the library in any project blindly. So we'll go with that approach first. Because in KiCAD there are multiple ways to create the library, multiple ways to assign the library also. But what I will follow is the more scalable way. Scalable, when we say, that means is you can use for any project, you can use for your any, like I mean, if three people are working on same project in the same PC, they can or as a different user, they would be able to use that library. So that approach we are going right now. So for that, it is important that inside KiCAD you create a folder called library. I have created 2 extra hierarchies. It's not necessary. You might have this library folder inside this KiCAD itself. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sure. So in KiCAD folder you have this library folder, and inside library folder you have 2 more folder, custom and source. Done?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sure.
Sir, I created in the local disk D.
What folder you have created, sir?
The
What you have created, sir, in local folder?
Local disk D. I am not in the C.
No issue, no issue.
I separately. No issue. There is no issue. Okay.
So where you are creating your all project files, sir?
I'm created some of the files. Working files, project files are stored in the D folder. D.
Which one?
KiCAD, I put one folder. D folder,
Local disk D, sir.
D is fine. D is the main thing. You cannot scatter the file. You might have. I think you have created one folder inside D. What is the name of that folder?
Yeah, KiCAD.
KiCAD. Very good. Inside KiCAD, you can create the library folder.
I created. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Doesn't matter which drive you are. Doesn't matter. The most matter is the relative structure of the this files. So relative structure is you should have library folder inside KiCAD. Inside library you create custom, source. Again I am saying this is not hard and fixed. You can create your own structure. Yeah, let us not waste time here. Create custom and source. Inside source you create your vendor name, and inside vendor name Mauser you keep the file. Till this stage it is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now inside the same library you create one more folder, custom. Just let that folder be empty. Done, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, make sure that custom folder is empty. Inside source folder you are having Mauser or whatever vendor you are going to download with, and those folder you are going to create and keep it there. And keep the files there.
No, sir.
Extract it, delete everything except KiCAD and 3D. You reached at this stage, sir? Everyone is following?
Yes, sir. All done.
Super. So now you do one thing, sir. You just copy this path. Copy. BC5147C. After deleting all the other folders, the same path you just copy and keep it handy. Now we'll go to the next stage. We'll do both simultaneously. Symbol creation and footprint creation. We are not going to create. Yeah, it's custom, but yeah, it's imported from the from the website. Yeah. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, yes,
So,
sir.
sir,
Yes,
we
yes.
need to create a inside again we show the location, sir, in your PC.
Yeah. I will let it open. Be open. Please. Oh, where I came. Are you guys able to see it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
just to make sure,
Yes.
this is possible to working on local also, na, sir?
Yeah, it will work everywhere, sir. I'm saying it will work everywhere. The only thing is, see, before this library, there should be KiCAD. Before KiCAD, what is there, doesn't matter. Whether it is C drive, D drive, E drive, X, Y, Z name, doesn't matter. After the KiCAD, I think it's not showing up. Yeah, after this KiCAD, these two folders I have extra. It's for you. It's not necessary. Let us see if these two are not there. After KiCAD, you should have library. In after library, you should have source. After source, you should have vendor name, Mouser or Ultra Librarian, whatever you want. After that, you should have your all the like the structure of the model you have downloaded.
Okay, sir. I will go ahead.
Sure. So now just copy it and keep it handy. Now go to the symbol editor. Just open symbol editor. In a study session, we have covered schematic editor and PCB editor. Now we are going to symbol editor. Once you open this interface, it looks like this. So what it is, left side you have the library window. This is properties of those component, whatever you select. And here is the view. On this, in this area, you will see the component, the view. So now this is symbol. Symbol means it will show the circuit symbol only. So now, see, there are already many symbols here. So whatever custom you see, you might not see this custom symbols. It is showing in it should show only in my PC because I have created many symbols. So it is here.
Okay. Yeah, yes.
For you guys, go to this new. Okay. Go to file, hit new library. Are you guys here?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Yes.
Please let me know once you reach here. Guys, please confirm whether it is done or you have to wait for more time.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, I will wait.
So we need to create any new project, or we can go directly to the KiCAD, sir. KiCAD symbol.
No. See, again I will go back. I will just cancel this.
Yeah.
So you are asking question, do we need to create any project and go here?
Yes, sir.
See, let me reiterate. This is empty project. There is no schematic. Empty.
Yes, sir.
There is no layout. Nothing is there. If there is no schematic, of course, it's obvious there is no layout. So there is no layout. If you see here, there is nothing. It's all empty. So what we are doing, the idea is still in your mind that you have to create some LED chaser or something, some XYZ project. So you have, so what we are doing, if you know what are the components you are going to use at the beginning, you can download the symbols for those, or you can do side by side also, in parallel also. So right now we are not having anything. We have not even drawn any schematic. We have not progressed. The first thing what we are doing is we are doing a symbol creation. We are creating a symbols for our schematic. If it is not there, if it is already there, you can reuse. But we are assuming it is not there. We are going to create a new symbol. So right now we went to the Mouser. We downloaded a library, and in that library we have the symbol. We have a footprint. We have a 3D model of that. Yes. So that component. All these three things we are going to our component model we are going to save into our library, import to our tool. So that model which is downloaded from this Mouser, that we are going to import to KiCAD library, and we are going to import as a global. Clear now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
clear, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
clear.
Without creating a project, we can directly edit the symbol, right, sir?
You can do anything whatever you want.
Yeah.
So you can complete the schematic 50%, and then you can come, you find that, oh, I don't have this component in my library. You can just come to symbol editor, you can open this window, this window will open, you can follow these steps to create that, to import in between also. It's not hard and fixed rule.
Okay.
Yes, clear now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So we'll move forward. So we want to create a new library. Let us go and hit create new library. And when you see this window, there is a global and guys, we are moving very slow. Let us be fast, otherwise we will not be able to cover anything today.
Yeah,
So,
okay, sir.
so you will see global and project. So just follow the global. So it will be a global library. Now it will ask for file name, I mean path. Just paste the path which you have just now copied. Not that, and delete. Yeah, not exactly the same thing. You go till the library. Once you go into library, go into custom. So this is the directory you have to give. Till custom you have to go. So what basically we are doing, we are creating a new library inside custom folder. So we'll give a name to our library. So what this library is?
BCF 547
Yes, but what it is? See, if you create a library,
transistor.
and if you keep, let us say if you create a library with your name and I will keep only one book there, is it a good way? Or create a generic library, keep some 100 some 50 components there, whatever belongs to that group. Let us say if I creating a library for science and I'm keeping all the science book there. Similarly, if you're creating a library here, it should be some meaningful name. So let us give, I will give some meaningful name as a transistor. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Or
Yes,
just put just BJT. So what's the idea here is, see, there are multiple names. So my name should be some distinguished. If you use something, let us say I'm going to use what should I use? What will be okay? Let's use custom project or custom component. What component it is?
Transistor.
Or let us say custom BJT. So whatever BJT will in future, yeah. So custom BJT, whatever BJT I will download in future, not only this BC547, any BJT I will keep under the same library. So it will be for me it will be very easy to see how many libraries I already have for BJTs. So now I have created a library called custom BJT. Sorry, I've given a name. I'm going to create that library inside the custom. So just hit here save. Now you just make note of it. .KiCAD_SYM is getting created. Just save it. So now we have a library here called custom BJT. Done till here?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So now you click on this custom BJT and hit on this import symbol. Are you guys following or are you moving fast?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Fast.
Following.
Just hit on import symbol. Done.
Yes, sir.
Just give that path which you have already copied.
Up to BC 547C, right?
Yes,
sir?
yes, correct. Shall we go ahead now?
Yes, sir.
Just open it, go to KiCAD, and now you should be able to see the same extension here, .KiCAD_SYM. So if you try to understand what we are doing, basically KiCAD_SYM is a file which is having the component definition, symbol definition. So for the BC547 alone, so what we are going to do, we are going to copy the definition, we are paste under our custom bjt dot KiCAD underscore sym. So we will be putting so many definitions in a single library. So okay, fine, let us not go into detail, just follow this first. Just hit open and it should open a symbol here. Done till this stage, everyone is reached here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So after this, just hit save. You should be able to see the symbol in your list. Under your library, the library which you have created custom BJT, you should be able to see that component BC547C. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So now we'll do one thing. Part 1 is done. We'll do again part 2. Let this thing open, don't close it. Go to the project window, and in the project window you hit on footprint editor. Everyone please do it. I think we are moving very, very slow. Everyone should be able to, I mean, either they will be feeling bored or at least they should be able to catch it. Are you guys feeling bored?
No, sir.
No,
Actually,
sir. No, sir.
No, rest other guys.
Yesterday-
We are learning, sir.
We are doing we are handling the tool. Maybe Jeris, Abin, Madan, Mukesh Kumar, Prakash, Sravanan. What about these guys? Can you guys speak up?
Yes, sir. I just followed it.
Sir, we are following, sir.
What about other guys? They have not even.
Sir. Following, sir.
Yeah, just raise the hand. I'll be able to see. I don't. Yeah, no problem. Sure. So very good. Yeah, we'll just go ahead. Sure. So we'll go ahead. I think this window you should be able to see now. After here, what we have to do? We have to do the same thing, same similar steps. So here you have to go and hit new library. Same global. Don't go to project. This one we'll cover later. Just for now, it just go to project. Hit OK. Go to the same place. Same place means you have already copied. Just delete this portion. Hit delete in keyboard. And here you have to just click save. So it will go to that path. Now go to custom. So this is your actual library path. The one which you are building right now. The library inside the custom. So what name you are going to put? I would recommend you put the same name. What the name you have put there? Can you please reiterate, iterate, sir?
Custom transistor.
No.
Custom
Yeah,
BJT.
See,
Custom
see,
underscore.
see. You guys able to see this? It is
Custom underscore.
once you type the same name, it will help you. This was the name, correct?
Yes, sir.
Just don't select anyone. Just before the dot, you just finish it off. So the name is custom underscore BJT. So this extension is going to be pretty. PRETTY. That's all. You just hit save. So you should be able to see that custom BJT here. But there is no component in your library.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
After this, what you have to do? You have to go here. You have to right click. You have to select this first, then right click. After right click, you have to go to option import footprint. Guys, please let me know if you're not following. What did you say, sir? I did not hear.
Yeah, we following, sir.
Very good. Just hit open. Go to KiCAD. So now you should be able to see here mod. KiCAD underscore mod.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just import it. Hit open. You should be able to see the footprint of this symbol.
Yes.
So what the component name is, it's not showing up here. See, there is a bug here, I will tell. There is a small bug here. So let us not confuse. I will tell that up front.
You want to select the file.mode thing, sir?
file dot, please
KiCAD underscore mode. BC547
yes,
dot
KiCAD
KiCAD underscore mode.
underscore mode.
Yeah.
So we went here, import footprint. I think let us not
Yeah,
do
sir.
again. Let us not do again, otherwise it will go away. See, it is not yet saved. Are you able to see this, guys? Even if you
Yes,
hit
sir, yeah.
save,
Okay.
yeah, right. I think now it is saying to save, but generally this is the bug. Even if you try to save it, it won't save. So you have to make sure that you save it first. So now go and find out where is your library. Where is our library? What was the name?
Custom underscore BJT.
Yes, where is
Custom
that?
underscore BJT.
Underscore BJT.
Where is that?
Sir, here is sir.
Super. So this is the
So,
library we have created, and now this is the component name BC547C. We are going to keep this component, import this component inside this library. Select this library, just hit yes, okay. One more thing here. If you have not even created library, that also you can do from here. You can create a library and you can save it. So, or if you want a different library, you can do that also from here. That is the meaning of this knob here. Let us click OK. And now after this, you should be able to see your component under this library. So your component is BC547C, which is here. Clear now?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Any
Yes,
question? Guys, any question on the breeze?
Yes, sir. After clicking the import footprint, what file we have to select, sir? In the just I want to know the file name.
Vicky, you should be asking that time. No, I see it is getting lot of delay. See, let us see if this is the library. You have to hit import footprint. You have to go to your path where you have downloaded. We have downloaded from Mouser, and this is the library path. Inside the KiCAD folder, you should see BC547 underscore KiCAD. Let me show this way. Medium, no details. I think details would show that. Yeah, you are able to see this dot KiCAD underscore mod.
Yes,
This is your footprint. You have to hit. You have to select this and you have to hit
Then-
open. I think we have already since we have already done it. I won't do it again. Otherwise, it will do again. But yeah,
Okay.
since let us not confuse the people. So we have selected this and we have hit open. After opening, you have to save it. Once you save it, it will come to this stage. You should see this screen.
Okay.
Now you have to make sure. See, there is a trick here. There are many things to explain here, but it's all up to you how much you guys want to. Go ahead with. See, there is a pad. This pad spacing and all is all provided by the component manufacturer. So they'll be self-sufficient. But in some cases, you might see you don't want in one line, or this might be even closer. You'd want to increase the spacing. You want to keep it on like a kind of a triangle fashion. Pin number 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here. Are you guys follow? Are you agree with this?
yes, sir.
No, I'm hearing only one voice. See, there might be some situation where you want to increase the isolation between pin number 1, 2 and 2 and 3. So you might move this 2 number pin to even some farthest position here or somewhere or this direction. I mean, you want to do some alteration here that you can do at this stage. That's what I'm saying. But leave it by default. No, let us see if you are making a single layer PCB and this pad won't be sufficient. You make a trace and you just touch the component, this pad will come out. Mechanically it won't be stable. You want to make it big, so you can always like you can put a bigger pad. You can modify the pad dimension here at this stage itself. So all those things, all decoration, all like this courtyard, front courtyard, this pink color boundary, what you see, the component boundary, all this adjustment you can do at this stage. But for now we will leave it for this demo. We'll keep it leave it by whatever it is by default. We are not doing any modification. If you want, I can cover those modifications also, how to make that. Or if you're not, yeah, we can just move ahead.
Sir, example one pad, sir. We need one pad. How to change the track with the
Yeah, you want more
Yes,
more
sir.
pad?
one pad? Any one pad, you can change
Just
drill hole,
show us
drill
one
hole,
example, sir.
the pad size.
Sure. Let us say if you want to move this pad here upside. This is the text. We'll move it. Let us say here. Let us don't change these things. If you want, at this stage I won't recommend to change this star. Let it be like this. This will help in auto incrementing your reference designator. So let us not change all these things. Let us say if you want to move this one upside,
Yes, sir.
so you should use all your proper dimension and everything to make sure that it is following the grid. But for now I will just show this one. Just take that one and drag it to at this stage. I think it's done now. Now your component will be the second pin has a better isolation. So this is the movement of component, movement of the pad. So pad you have moved from center to make it is in a triangular fashion. So it will give a better isolation between pin number 1 and 2 and between 2 and 3. Now if you want to change the dimension of the pad, so go and select the pad, double click on it, you will see everything, all this window here. So here you want pad on top and bottom both. So you have selected through hole. If you want to make it SMD, that also you can do from here. Through hole, SMD, S connector, yeah, just all these things, yeah, you can do. So yeah, pad number is 2, the pin number. If you want to change that, you can do that, but I won't recommend, yeah, unless you review the data sheet. You have to go to data sheet first. You have to make sure that these things are correct, then only you change it. By default 80% of the 90% of the case, it's, I think, let us say even more than that, it is always correct. But some cases you will find it is like it's not following this thing. So or you might have downloaded some different component and you are thinking it is the component which you have in your hand, that is for that component, and you have different pin ordering. So there you can change it here. Now it comes to the pad, whether you want a circular pad or you want a different oval pad, rectangular pad, you can choose from here. So when it is circular, you need only diameter, but when it is rectangular, you need 2 dimensions. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Let us say I want to make it rectangular and want to make like some bigger pad. Let us make it 2 mm. 2 mm width and 2 mm height. So hole shape, drill hole, drill dia you want to keep 0.72 mm, or let us say if you see it is a bigger component, you can make it 1.2 mm also. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Sure. I just hit OK. So this pad became bigger in size, diameter, drill dia also became bigger. Clear now?
So here we only increase the drill dia or all the things, sir?
We changed the shape of the pad. See, 3 things we did. First thing, we moved the pad from center to top to increase the isolation. Second thing, after moving here, we changed the pad dimension. We increased the size from 1.2 to 2 mm length and 2 mm width, 2 by 2. It was earlier it was 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. First it was circular, we made it square. Now it becomes square because both are equal, so it is, yeah, it's a square. We have selected rectangular, but we have given both equal, means it became a square now. So, and third we have done is we have changed the diameter of this drill from 0.75 to 1.2 mm. Here it is. Clear now?
The solder mask also they automatically take, or we need to?
No, it's all given here. If you don't want masking in bottom, you can just uncheck it. You don't want soldering in whichever side you don't want soldering, just uncheck that. But we want soldering in both the sides, so let it be there. Clear now?
Yeah, okay.
Silk skin will be part of your component, not the part of the pad. But if you want to put some silk skin for this particular pad, you can use that silk skin. So okay, let us not go in very very rare things. Most 90%, 95% of things, whatever things we are going to use, that's what I am training with. Correct? Clear, guys? Any question?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Just cancel it. Hit Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Now we came to the original state where it was. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Oh. See, after importing the component, the footprint, will you just select this component and go to file, go to footprint properties. Inside footprint properties, you will have many things to enter, but for now we will not cover all those because see, when you create the bill of material, you can have very nice bill of material where you can have like manufacturer part number, the costing, the purchase link, the data sheet, description, many things you can add here. So right now what you see is reference designator, its value BC547. If you want to change it, you can put like BC547 or some other make is there, BC547 ABC, the value you can put here. Footprint, there is no footprint for footprint, so here you should not worry. Dataset you can assign here, but I would say not to touch all these things for footprint. For symbol we will do all those things. I think we have covered there. I think I will again explain that symbol part so that we will be clear there. Now here don't touch all these things, just concentrate on 3D model. There is no 3D model right now. You can see that, no? Only hole is there, only drill holes are there, and there is no. So here it is saying red color, it is saying not found. Just uncheck this or let it be checked. Just click here once, left click. Guys, you are doing in parallel or just listening?
Listening, sir.
No, you do in parallel. Everyone has imported the component.
Yes, sir. Imported footprint.
Okay. So for the guys who have joined late, so far we have completed the three things. First thing is we have reviewed the progress, whatever people have created the LD chaser, and the second part we have covered the library building, including the how to create the symbol, how to import the library, component library, and how to import the symbol. Third part we are covering right now is how to import the footprint. So I think, yeah, so in the 3 stage we are. If you have any question, or if you guys are not following, let me know. Sir, everyone is on the same page? Everyone
Yes,
has
sir. The same page.
Suresh
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sure. So now you have to click here, and once you click here, just Control V, do Control V, whatever the link we have already copied.
Sorry, sir, where to click?
No, the link you have already copied, no?
In the corner.
Where to click? Okay, where to click means, yeah, that's a good question. Why? Because this won't show by default.
Okay.
So when you that's the bug in the tool. It should show that by default itself, but it's not showing up. Okay, no problem. What you can do your mouse left click. Once you do left click, it will show up.
Okay,
once it shows up, again do left click, it will open the folder. Once it opens the folder, you do Control V or whatever path you have copied, or if you don't know, if you want to browse, you can browse there. Come to this folder, Mouser and your component folder, library folder, the model which you have downloaded from the internet. You go to KiCAD, no KiCAD. What we are modifying here, we are importing 3D models. We are importing, guys, speak
3D
up.
model.
3D model.
3D model, sir.
So far what we have done, we have imported the KiCAD symbol. We have created imported the KiCAD footprint. Now third we are going to import the 3D symbol
Model.
3D model. Yes, so 3D model is the extension is .stp.
STP. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this STP we will import. We'll hit open. So once it opens up, it will look like this.
Oh, super, sir.
But this is not correct. This is not the original. It's not looking like original. Is it looking like?
No, sir.
Yeah, this is some model it is there, but it's not looking like original. But yeah, whether holes are aligning, you should be able to see this view. Are you guys able to
Yes,
see
sir.
it?
It's a very
Yes, sir.
big height, sir. This transistor symbol. I think 3D model is a big height.
Yes. Okay, so let us ignore for now the 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 way they have built. I think it should be look like the real step file. But okay, for now we will go ahead with this. So the important thing is here you should check that the pins and the drill holes, they are aligning. Are they aligning?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is aligning. What about the height? Whether this is aligning? Who is going to model? Who is going to solder like this? Insert the all whole full length and then solder, or do we solder somewhere midway?
Okay.
So what we have to do, there is something called left side, there is something called a scale, rotation, offset and opacity. So what we can do from here, sir, right now what is the problem? Is it rotation or is it offset? So let me give a demo. So the demo is, let us keep this like this, keep in this isometric view so that you can see it. Are you able to see it clearly?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you use the rotation, it will rotate like this, x-axis rotation it will do. So if your component is mounted opposite by default, you can bring it back by using this rotation. Or if it is this way, you can bring it to in correct position like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Or if it is z-axis wise tilted, you can again bring it like this. Now you have offset problem. Right now what we see. So we'll use the offset. Which axis has the problem? We'll try to understand from here. Is it this? Is it the x-axis problem?
No, sir.
No, x-axis is correct. What about y-axis? Let us see y-axis. Y-axis means it will go here. Y-axis also is correct. Correct? So your xy plane is correct.
Yes.
You have the problem in z-axis. Z-axis is vertical direction. So just hit z-axis. Yeah, this is supposed to be like this. Am I right, sir?
Yes, yes.
I think this much should be there. Are you guys following this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No problem.
Sure. So now I think I am satisfied with this 3D model. The only thing is it is not looking real. It is looking something different. Okay, just ignore that and just move forward. So 3D model assignment is done. Go back to general. Make sure that you have not changed anything here. Yeah, there are many things here, but I don't think compulsory for now to cover it. Okay, just hit OK. And since there is a star that says that, you have to be careful. Whenever you see a star, you have to be very careful, because those things are unsaved. Those things are changed. You have to make sure that you are giving enough attention and fixing all those problems if there is any. So there is no problem. I think we have assigned the 3D model. So that's why it is showing a star. We will hit save. Your model is ready. Your footprint is ready, sir. So your footprint
Yes,
is
sir,
ready.
yeah.
Your footprint is ready with 3D. So how you can see that? Just hit. Just select your model footprint. Go to view. Go 3D view. You can see your component here.
Yes, sir. Yeah, fine.
Are you guys able to see it?
Yes, yes, yes.
So your footprint is here along with the component, and it is looking good. So just okay. So that is correct now. Footprint is ready. In your symbol editor, your symbol is ready. Now there is a time to link these two. Now there is a time to
Link to.
link these two. Same way we have followed here. We have created this symbol. We have imported this component from the Mauser library, and we have we have saved under the custom BJT library. Now we will again go here. You go to properties, symbol properties, and now we have the complete view of the complete all property of the symbol. So what are the properties here? So whenever you download any library from the good vendor, sir, you will get all these properties pre-populated. But when you download from like Snap PDA and from other parties, you might not see all these options. By default, you have the datasheet path. So why this is important? It is important whenever you create any bill of material. That time this all links, everything will be there. You need not to fill manually. Once you generate bill of material, that's all. Your mind is peaceful. You need not to worry about anything. There are more options are there to it. I think maybe I should cover those all also, but before that let me link first those. First let us link symbol and the footprint. Okay,
Yes, yeah.
sure guys. So now I think you have already copied the path. Which path? Where we have saved the library, sir? Can anyone tell me?
KiCAD.
No, which path we have saved the library? We have imported the libraries
Custom.
Custom
symbol
library.
as well as
Custom.
footprint. Perfect. The folder name is custom. So go to
Custom, yeah.
footprint. This is symbol, but this symbol has a footprint. This symbol
Yes, sir.
has to be linked with the footprint, and we'll go to that library where we have saved the footprint. So we'll go to custom BJT. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are not confident, you just go to 3D view and you can see that component. Oh, this is the component we are going to link with this symbol. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hit OK. Now that is linked. You should read this statement here. So first name should be your library name. What is the library name?
Custom BGT.
And what is your component name?
BJT.
No, BC547 C. That is your component name. Sorry, the footprint name. So your footprint is under custom BJT library. Name is BC547. Your symbol name is also same. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now here comes here, just hit OK and just save it. Done. So now your footprint is, your symbol is created, your footprint is created, your 3D model is mapped. With this example we have covered all these things. We have created symbol, correct?
Yes,
Not
sir, yeah.
manually. We have imported symbol, existing symbol. That is and we have imported footprint. We have did the
mapping.
3D mapping. We have linked symbol and footprint and 3D, all these three together as a single component. Correct? Now whenever
Yes,
you
sir.
use that symbol in your library, in your schematic from that library, that will have everything together. Now let us do that. So now we'll go to our project folder. Sorry, project view. We'll go to our schematic. We'll go to our component library. It's loading the library. Now your library should be here. What was the name of our library?
Custom_BGT.
So where is that? Here it is. So we have created only one component, BC547. So you should see all these details here. Clean, sir? Any questions
Yes, sir,
so
yeah.
far?
Yeah, perfect. Clear.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Now we'll do one thing.
Yeah.
We'll just put two connectors, or maybe we'll just import this to this guy, layout. Go to tool. There is no other component, just only one BJT is there. Import to PCB. Sorry, export to PCB, and it is, things are correct. Warning 0, error 0. Yes, update PCB. Now we got this component here. I think if you remember yesterday's session, what is the first job here?
Edge cutting.
Dry outline.
Yes, we'll put outline first, and our component is going to sit in the center. And let us see, let us say if this is complete, our board is complete. If you go and do a view, you can see your all this thing, 3D along with the footprint. Clean, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I think we have covered the second part also. But the thing what we have done is we have downloaded a model, and we have imported to our KiCAD, and we have used it in our schematic. Done, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But we have
Yes, sir.
not built.
Thank you.
But we have not built any project. Yeah, that doesn't
Mm.
matter. Now, now after this, there is one more thing I have just skipped, and that thing is bill of material creation. So whenever you create any bill of material, sir,
Yes, sir.
you will need some certain information. So what are the information needed for bill of material?
Just assembly or throughable component and where we can adjust and model number, vendor number,
Okay,
like this.
okay, okay. So many other information we need, correct?
Yeah, yes, right.
So we'll do one thing. We'll draw a simple schematic here. Let me draw a simple schematic with this component. Let me, so that I'll be able to explain those information also better way. Let me put a NOT gate here. So for NOT gate, what else we need? Can you please guide me, sir?
What, sir?
What component we need for NOT gate?
Symbol.
Yeah, what component we need?
Not gate. Logic gate.
No, not gate. Transistor
I,
based
I
NOT
see. I
gate.
see. I see.
Not IC, just transistor BJT based NOT gate.
Yes, okay. Transistor. Almost
74,
the need for
74.
resistor.
Okay, okay.
Using transistor, you can build up the NOT gate, no?
Yes, yes, correct, correct, correct.
Yeah. So that time resistor need and VCC ground.
Okay, okay. So we
So
need
you can put
register,
out
VCC ground,
resistor
correct?
and collector.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. So what we will do, we'll take some registers. So what is the standard size of the register?
Size actually
6.2 and 6.2.
Which one you should choose from here?
Sir, 10 mm pitch.
Okay,
This one is good, sir.
sure. Very good, very good, very good.
That's
So choose this. So we are getting a not, we are making a NOT gate.
yeah.
We need a connector also, two connectors. Or we let us put on in let's put on LED also. Okay, so I think this LED should be good enough. Why we are moving this register top and this LED bottom?
The current limiting process. No?
Or let us put in parallel. No, there is a very tricky question. Can anyone answer? Why we are making a circuit like this? Why can't we put LED here itself? See, there are many ways to make NOT gate. This LED we are just putting for the indication.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
But why we are not putting LED in this path? My question is, yeah, let me complete this first. We'll put two connectors. Simple connector, yeah, let us use this. And header, let us use header pins for 2.54 mm vertical header. So let me put here. see, the cleanest way to make is use a ground. So ground you can use from here. There are many grounds you can use, earth or just simple ground. Wherever you find there is a crisscross happening because of the ground, better use a ground. I think it's very conventional to use. I mean, the convention is you have to use a ground. You must use a ground in a circuit. And let us not make the things complicated. We will feed the power from here. So now we have a NOT gate.
Yeah.
Let us make it, keep it, if you 12 volt 10 milliamps, so it becomes like 1k 1k, or yeah. How much current should be required for this LED to glow?
20 milliamps.
I think no, 20 milliamps. After at 20 milliamps it will start deteriorating, it will start damaging. How much is the safe operating current? One number, some 10 milliamps. So it varies LED to LED. Most of the LEDs get damaged beyond 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps it will
Yes.
be at peak brightness. Beyond that, if there is
Yes.
any plus minus, it will start like damaging. Its life cycle will reduce. Even it will glow might glow for months, but it will reduce. So the 10 milliamps should be 10 to 15 milliamps should be the safe region to design. It depends how much brightness you want. You don't want much brightness, just want indication. So let us say for 10 milliamps. Okay, let us not go into the theory. If you guys need a theory session, we can have that. But for now, I will assign something for it. Okay, so there are 3 connectors. It's a simple NOT gate. So whenever you put here 1 means some voltage means 5 volt. This transistor will get on. When this transistor will be switched on, this 2 will be short circuited. Short circuit means you will get a 0 volt here, because this will be grounded. You will get a 0. So when you put 5, you get 0 volt. Now when you get 0 volt means you have grounded this. These two are sorted. When these two are sorted means this transistor is off. Off means there is nothing here connected you can think of. If there is nothing connected, this is pull up to the 5 volt through 1k resistor. So how much voltage you will get? You will get here 5 volt. So when you get 0 volt, it will give 5 volt. When you give 5 volt, it will give 0 volt. So high is 5 volt. Let us call it as a 1 0. So if you plot a truth table, it will follow the NOT gate. Agree? Everyone agree to this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this is a simple NOT gate circuit. Why I have made this? Because I wanted to demonstrate what is the BOM. I mean how to create the BOM, bill of material. Now if you have a schematic, you can go to you can update the PCB. It should show all 0 0. Once you hit this, you should get all the component here. Once you get all the component, let us make little big. Yeah, Z1 is our input. Okay, doesn't matter. Utility here, transistor here, J3, J2. Okay. Okay, so this is your input and this is your power and this is your pull up. So hopefully you guys are able to follow this. If not, please let me know. Clean.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Just make this so that it will consume lesser space. Otherwise, symbol wise it will look more clear this way. The way the circuit is built, same way I'm just doing the routing so that you can understand what is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll do the routing. Placement is done. We'll do the routing. See, if your placement is very good, your routing should not take much time. Done, sir. All clean. Now you have to make it big, thicker routing. So done, sir. Schematic routing is
Completed.
done. You have the board here now. If you want to see the 3D view, this is how it is going to look like. Simple register, NOT gate. This is going to give the power. This is the transistor, NOT gate. Here is the input, here is the output. So the product is ready. There are so many other decoration we can do, but I'm not going to cover all those. I'm going to give a demo how to create a bill of material. So your product is ready. Now you want to create a bill of material.
Yes, sir.
So here itself you
So-
can cover that. Yeah, go ahead. So is there
Yes,
any
sir.
question? Is there any question in layout section? Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Sir, just sir, I need one clarification. How to make it for the copper filling now?
That question, I think that there are many things I think you should come up with. I think I was expecting these questions actually.
Oh,
Copper
okay.
filling is you have to select this. Yeah, any layout question, guys, you can ask here. You can raise here. Since we are on this page, we can cover all those. Let us say if you have a power here, we're feeding the power here, correct? And you want to make a power plane for the positive. So just go to your bottom copper, select that layer, click on add field zone, left click somewhere wherever you want to start with. It's not necessary where I am starting, you can also do the same. You just hit here. Once you do this, you will see that you will see this window. What it is saying, no net, this will result in an isolated copper island. Okay, just ignore this because we are going to assign the net. So what is the net of this, the net name of this positive? D1 hyphen
Yeah.
D1 hyphen where
Hey,
it is here, D1 hyphen A, correct?
Yeah.
So the first thing you select where you want to copper fill, which layer. I want to do copper fill in bottom. Okay. Now select on which net you want to link this copper pore. I want to link this, tie this copper pore with D1 hyphen A. So I will select that. After selecting that, next thing comes. Just don't. This hash pitching you just leave it. Corner smoothing you can do. If you want any corner smoothing, you can go ahead with the fillet or chamfer. So any of these two, just go with fillet. Leave it 0. Let us not do the non-important things. Let us don't change anything here. The main important thing is you have to concentrate on first one and the second one and the third one. These 3 windows. Out of these 3 windows, this is only main important. You want to make a solid fill or you want to make a hash pattern? I want a solid fill. Just select solid fill and hit OK. I will come later to these things. Once you hit OK, this thing will be active. Now you will be allowed to do copper fill. I will do a copper fill quickly. See here you have to be very careful. Just make it 45 degree. Okay. Once you're not sure, I mean how you're not able to do that, just use close outline. Right click and close outline. It will automatically connect the corners. Once it is done, is it looking like filled or not filled?
Not filled.
It is not filled. So in the keyboard you have to hit B. Are you guys following the same thing or not following? I think you might not have any schematic and any this thing. Just hit B, it will fill the things.
Okay.
Just hit B in keyboard. Just note it down, or at least this video will be there. Maybe I will try to upload it. So you see there is a thermal relief is given. So whenever you put a soldering iron here, the heat will, if it will be solid, the heat will flow to all this plane, and to raise the temperature of this pad, it will take some time. But if you want to avoid that, you can use this. So the thermal relief pad will, I mean it will give some, it will create some void here. But if you don't want that, just double click it, make the thermal relief as solid. I don't want that. Just hit OK. Again hit B. That's all. That is gone. There is no thermal relief. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
If you have some clearance, if you have multiple planes on plane to trace issue and many things, let me show that also. Let me have put it here, something for some reason. So there is a clearance issue. Now you see that there is a clearance issue. It automatically it has assigned some clearance. How much is the clearance? The clearance is 0.5 mm. How much? 0.5 mm.
0.3.
Yeah, why there is a 0.5 mm? Because there is a 0.5 mm clearance assigned here. I don't want that much clearance. I want to reduce that. You make that 0.2 or 0.25. Once you do that, it won't change. You have to hit B until fill. Now you can see that gap, the clearance has come to 0.25. This way we can do the filling, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Now,
Sir,
yeah, one more thing is missing. This option I have not touched. Which option? This corner smoothing. When it comes to corner smoothing, let us say if you're doing some RF design, okay, let us not go into the technical detail. There is a corner smoothing happening, you can see by default. But let us say if you want to make that even more smoother, like a circle, just go here, put that fillet, make it some 2 mm or 3 mm, and hit B. You can see this got like very nice shape. The corner has gone set to 2 mm radius. Let us say 1 mm. It will be even further sharper. You can see that, no? That's all corner is gone.
yes, yes.
If you want to see how it is going to look like, go to 3D. You just revert back the plane. You can see this is your layout. If you want to see the copper without any film, remove the mask. This is how it is going to look like. Are you guys able to see it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a problem here. It might create some short circuit here. So you'll go here, select this guy, make the clearance 1. Now go to hit B, so it will fill the zone again. Now go to 3D view. It will look like this. See, this I have done. I think it's have now better clearance. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah, correct.
Sure. So this way I think we can do the filling, the copper filling. Any other question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is for particularly we want to single line, but we need for whole board copper filling now. So how is going to possible?
Very good, very nice question. Just go and select this. Start from one corner. You want to tie this with ground. Yes, we want to tie this with ground. This thing I think I have already explained, and these things are untouched. It is following the previous setting. Okay. Yes. Okay. You just start here. I'm just yeah, doing this, and here you just put it. Right click, close outline, and then hit B in your keyboard. So it has done now your ground filling. So
Oh,
this has
yes.
taken the first priority. This copper filling will be there. Both will be there actually, but clearance is 1 mm, so it is maintaining 1 mm. It is giving priority to the ground.
Yes, sir. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, you can always do wired and other mix and match to create whatever you desired you want. Or if you want only ground filling to bottom side, just do this way. So you have only ground filling to bottom side, because there is no power flowing in ground flowing in top side. Only bottom side is the power flow correct happening. So now if you go to the this thing here, view 3D, it's going to look like this. Is it clear, everyone? Any questions so far?
Yes, sir. One doubt, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, how to place wires, sir?
What? Just voice got missed. How to place vias?
Yeah, wires, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good, very good. So let us say what I am going to do. I would show with one example. Let us say this plane I have removed for now, and I want to route this power plane. I want to take the trace top side from this component. I think yeah, that will not be okay. Just put some two vias in this path. Now let us take some real example. You guys will be doing in parallel. We can do in practice. See, there are two ways to do that. If you are already having the routing, you can do that. Let us say if there is already routing, if I put this via here, this via name will change. What is the net name of the via?
D1 underscore K.
Hyphen K, yes.
Yes.
Via is tied to the net D1 hyphen K. Okay. What if I put the same via here? If I put the via here, somewhere here, what will happen? Just answer, guys. There is no net name assigned to this via.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, if you want to, so this is the one way. You can just choose a via here. You can put there wherever you want. But if you want to put via while routing, let us say if I am routing, I have routed till here, and I want to put a via here. Just go to right click, do a right click. There option will come place through hole. Just put it here, wherever you want. After that, whether you want to do top routing, yes, just follow from there top routing. You reached here. I again want to take the routing in bottom. Just take one more via, and from there change your layer here. Make sure you change here layer. Automatically also it will give you the option to do that, but let us not rely on that. If there's something goes wrong, you should take the responsibility. Okay. So now this is routed with two vias. Clear, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Any other
Yes,
question?
sir. Yes, sir.
You
No,
can
sir.
always you can always choose the control Z and control Y. Control Y will move you forward, changes whatever you have done, and control Z will move you the backward changes you have done. If you have done any mistake, let us say. Yeah. See, there are many things to explain here. So the basic, this covers the, I think one part we have missed, bill of material creation. If you guys are done with this layout, if any question you can ask here, we'll go to bill of material creation. Who and all the CAD engineer, proper CAD engineer working there?
Proper CAD engineers here not available, sir. Mr. Saravanan also now going to work in CAD, sir. I think ArcAD.
Yes, sir.
Going to work on ArcAD or KiCAD?
Arcade already
Arcade,
they'll
sir.
be
Arcade.
Arcade.
Very good, very good. I think things are same, guys. Surroundings, things are same, and yeah, I think okay. I think if you already have previous experience of arcade, you should ask more question. I was expecting even more question. Many things I have skipped, but if you guys see, it will take time to explain. But if you guys really need that, I might help you out there. Yeah. So the thing is, it's all up to you. So I think I will just after this I will explain how to generate the bill of material and how to generate the Gerber file for this. These two things
Yes,
are
sir. Yeah.
pending. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, clear.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will generate the bill of material or how to print the schematic. So just here select on the root. Okay. Go to file, print. You want color, don't want black and white. If you have black and white, you can print that also. Page setup, let it be a4, and this is landscape, that's correct. Print setup, you should change this to landscape, and then hit all pages I want to print, just print it. I want to keep this under my project. Let me I think I have wrongly created the project folder, so let me call it as a project 2. I want to keep this under project 2, and my PDF file name is project 2. So my schematic is created under project 2. So if I go to my project 2 directory, I should be able to see my schematic. So this way the schematic will look like in PDF. It will be very high definition. You can zoom how much you want. Done. Now bill of material creation. So you are in the root page. If there are no more pages, you may not be able to select it. It is by default, it is selected. So go to tool, generate bill of material. So when you go to generate bill of material, another world will open for you to understand. So now here there is some few things I will tell you. Blindly you can just go and export it. Just put the output file path folder and export. That's all. Any question? Any question?
Yes, sir.
No, I heard
No,
some
Yes,
sound.
sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask the question.
Sir, how to export a bill of material file in Excel?
Yeah, I will tell that. That's what I was saying. Same thing I was explaining you. I'm just going to explain you. See, Excel is called CSV. You can see here, no? Formats. So your Excel is CSV. Comma separated value is your Excel. So that will be by default, it will be Excel format. But before that, let us come to understand this part first, because this has many advanced feature. So what information you want in your bill of material, which is this, your table will look like this. Whatever you see in front of your eyes here, it will look like this. Do you want manufacturer name? You want other informations like description? Those all will be there. So what information you want, sir? Suresh sir, just go ahead quickly.
It's a model number and a vendor name.
So you want the reference designator first, sir. This is
Yes.
important
And
because
first, quantity.
Super. Second is quantity. Is it selected here? Yeah, by default it is selected. You can see here it is showing up. So you want reference designator and then quantity you want. You just move this quantity here. You can reorder your table here itself. So you want reference designator. Okay, this is my reference designator. How many component? So you want total 3 component. What is the value of those component? So what this value component? You want data sheet? No, I don't want data sheet. Let us move. Is there any component which is do not place? Yes, if it is there, maybe you can put it here. Or if you don't want this, just ignore this. You want footprint name. Okay, it is here. So these are the 4 information which are more important. Do you want any other information?
Maybe based on circuits we need for extra.
No, there is more to it actually. It's not, I mean, yeah, we can have the cost of each component. Purchase link for the component. So
Yeah,
those things
yes.
also we can cover here. But for now, I will generate one bill of material. Then I will go to the second part. First part, let me cover. So this way you have to rearrange. Whatever you do not want, just uncheck. You see this DNP I have unchecked here and it's gone from here. I don't want data sheet. I don't want manufacturer name. I don't want data sheet. Okay, data sheet is gone. You want description? Yeah, we want description because we want to know what that component is. So you want description as a fourth column. Footprint will be the last column. I want first the reference designator. How many components should be there for that particular reference designator? I mean, yeah, for different reference designator, how many similar component will be used? That will tell here. J1 to J3 they use this connector. And what that connector is, this connector is this thing. There is a description. You can always change and the value or the description, this all up to your user. After doing this arrangement, go to export. Okay, I'll go to export, assign the folder. So I want to create this thing under this project 2 and name will be project2.csv. So I think someone asked about the Excel file. I want Excel file. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that you keep this CSV format. By default it will be CSV only because you have chosen their CSV. So project2.csv, just save it. Do you want to use the relative path relative to this one? No, we don't want to use. I think we don't. Yeah, we want to use this path. Project 1 and project 2 path. That's the correct path. Make sure that this is correct. If anything wrong here, just correct that, and then hit export. You must see this message. Okay, and then close it. Done. Your bill of material is exported. Now you go to that path, project 2, and here is your Excel file. Happy?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now just double click on the Excel file. You should be able to see your bill of material. If you're unaware how to format this, just select all this till wherever you want. Just do Control T in your keyboard and hit OK. You should see very nice formatted table for you. Are you guys able to see it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you have everything here for you. So here is the bill of material. Yeah. Just save it. Yeah. Any question?
Yes, sir. No.
Yeah. Go ahead, guys. Ask the question if you have.
How to take printing routing treatment, sir? Because after routing we want to done the fabrication side, right?
So what do you want to print?
The routing section.
Routing means I didn't get that.
The top layer, bottom layer.
Oh, those things you want to print.
Yeah.
Super. So here is the thing. When you are in layout section here, just go and hit print. So whatever you want to print, you have to select here. I want to print only silk screen. Okay.
Okay.
I want to print only this thing edge cut, which will give you the boundary of your board. Silk screen, and you want to print the paste also. Let us say bottom paste or bottom mask you use, so that you will be able to see the pad. That's all.
Okay.
And do a page setup as the same as whatever we have done here. You can have preview also. You can go to preview and see how it is going to look like. This is going to look like something like this. Just close this, print it, select here landscape, same as previous. Go to project 2, and here you can give a name. Project 2, what it is. This is bottom silk screen. Okay, just save it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this way you can print anything, whatever you want. So here is the bottom silk screen. You should give a proper name. Clear now?
Sir, will
Yeah,
it
yes, sir.
be 1:1 ratio correct properly?
Yeah,
1:1
use
ratio.
1:1. I won't recommend anything else other than 1:1. You can go, you, if you want to print a very big thing onto a A4 sheet or something, you can always change those things. Those things are all like print options. Those things are not like, yeah.
By default, it will be 1:1.
1:1 by default it will be. So this was our BOM, bill of material. Rename it properly, BOM. Okay, I think it's already open, so we will not save it. So we'll just close it. So this was our bill of material. This guy was our schematic. See, let us follow the proper format. Okay, so it will not create mess up. You can create any file with any name, your name, your friend's name, but let us have a practice of creating in a right way. Okay, so we have created bill of material. Now there are many other things to explain, but I think I don't think that let first you guys explore it. You experience the tool. If you have more questions, come up with the questions. I will try to answer, clarify, and cover more sessions if needed. Yeah, one more thing. I just for that, I think for that reason only I came to this bill of material part. While creating the footprint, this guy has this many information. But what if I want to add the purchase link? See, there is already price stock here. Link is already there. But this did not appear in our our bill of material. We can always go to our. I will do one thing. If you want to create manual names and yeah, manual keywords, and you want to create some more info. Let us say what else could be there. The purchase link and the vendor name, correct? So
Yes,
let
yeah.
us go with that. So we are on the symbol page, our component. This is the symbol we have imported from a Mouser, correct? Let us go to this its property. Here you can click on plus. So I will put here local or purchase or what keyword you want, vendor, local vendor. Okay, I created one keyword local vendor, and I have created one more keyword called local rate. So let us say our local vendor and you want to create one more imported. Or import vendor or imported vendor. I think the keyword is not correct, but yeah, let us imported rate. So 4 keywords I have created just for the example. So this component might be available in local market. It might be available in imported market also. But just for the price computation, if you have a big Excel sheet, you can have all the information in single Excel sheet, so you can take some decision. You can do some cost cutting, rate cutting. This is like you can decide whether we have to buy from local or buy from the imported vendor. I mean, yeah, outsource the component. So all those things, this information helps. Or any other information also, if you want to include, you can include. I'm just giving an example. Let us go to the local market, local vendor, and put it here. BC 547. So BC 547, who and all are selling, Robo is selling. They're all local guys. Go to shopping. This guy is selling for 60 paisa. Who is selling cheaper? Suresh sir?
Sir, I think Robo.
No. This guy is selling very
Electronic
cheap.
commands.
60
Electronic
paisa.
commands.
Yeah, someone.
Robot is
No, this guy
Yes,
is
sir,
selling
this
for
is cheap.
this guy is
Yes,
selling
sir,
for
cheap.
60 paisa. Yes.
But which one is convenient means I mean they are delaying for the deliver the material. I think the electronics
Yeah,
component.
yeah. I'm just saying, just choose whichever, or not here. Let us say go to Ketron. Ketron is a trusted Karnataka
Yes,
vendor,
yes, sir.
Karnataka based vendor. It's not required unnecessary this much. This link, just delete unnecessary thing and have only the. So this is the link to purchase this component. What is the vendor name? Ketron. It's a Bangalore
Ketron,
based
yeah.
vendor. If you go to contact us, you can find it's Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's sorry, it's a Gujarat based vendor. Sorry, I missed it. Okay, it's Gujarat based vendor, Gujarat, Ketron. So we'll go to the local vendor, Ketron, Gujarat, and now imported vendor can be Mouser or anything. Let's go to Mouser. This is my imported component. Copy it. What is the rate? One component. Let us see for 1000 component, 3.92 rupees. So this guy is selling for. Sorry, I have done something wrong. Okay. Vendor. Let us not put the vendor name. This is selling for 3.92 rupees, and Ketron is selling for 1.2 rupees. Is it correct, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
So Ketron is selling for 1.2 rupees. Imported vendor, this guy Mouser is selling for 3.92 rupees. Just save it. Save. And now if you go to this one, this is not updated. So what you have to do, you have to remove this guy Q1. You have to again, so that's why those assignment must be done while building the
Bill of material.
no library. Building the
Library.
Library.
yeah, while building the library you have to put all those information. So it came here in your library now. So wherever whoever will use those components, we know those components we can buy from this vendor for this much rate. Or XYZ all history geography you can put tied to this symbol. So whoever is using, wherever they are using, this will be there intact. Or any other information if you want to put that, just use that. Keep it here. Save it. Again generate bill of material. So now once you do that, you can see those information has come here. Did you see that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So those informations are here. I have just imported, I have just enabled those options, and now I'm going to export, or just here also you can, I mean, yeah, you can give the right thing. I think it's already the correct path is already set. So I'll just hit export. Now again, if you open that path, you will get another bill of material with another name, and here you will have that imported the local rate, local vendor from here you can purchase, and imported rate. You can probably put imported rate here near. Okay, I think the ordering we didn't do, but doesn't matter. As long as we understand what thing is there. So understand, sir? Import local rate and local vendor.
Yes.
You can buy from 1.2 rupees from this vendor. You can buy from 3.9 rupees from Mouser.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
imported
yes.
vendor. So I think Control T. Yeah. So now you have the nice view here. Just reformat it in case if you want to look it, yeah, make it clear, look it nice. So yeah, this way. So this options you can add while building the
I mean, footprint.
Libraries.
yes,
Footprint.
while building the library. While building the library, you should be very much aware about how much information we need to build the library, and should put whatever possible. Okay. So now we have covered those portion also. How to, I mean, yeah, bill of, how to include the many other information for that particular symbol. And I think I don't see thing I should cover anything more here. Of course, these things are all very trivial, very obvious options. You can try. You can put pin names and many other things. So yeah, these things you can give it a try on your own. So far whatever we have covered, we have covered the symbol creation, symbol and footprint and 3D mapping, all this as a library creation, symbol import, symbol footprint and 3D import, bill of material creation we have covered, adding custom names and information into your symbol, which we have added here, local and import purchase informations we have added. And the simulation part I think we should not cover today. Maybe if you guys are interested and you come up with some more questions and queries, we can take it up for later.
Yes, sir. We need for finally, I think Herbert generation also.
Oh, that Gerber generation we missed. Okay, let me cover that part also. No, that part is, I think we'll, if you want, you can cover now or we can leave it for later. You
Is
want me
it?
to cover now itself?
Yes, sir.
Because it's
It is
ready.
possible.
Yeah, it will not take much time. I will just try to close within some few statements. Okay. So let us, after this, once the layout is done, when you are happy with all your 3D view, let us say if you view it, inspect it, you find that things are okay, looking okay, I don't see any problem. So here this option you can try on your own. You can remove the through hole, you can just see the PCB, you can inspect those. Okay, things are correct, I'm satisfied with this, whatever we have here. Okay, this is what we need. Yeah, there are many things to it. There is enclosure here, you can have enclosure, you can fit this PCB inside the enclosure, you can see the side view, bottom view, and inside everything you can see. There is one tool called FreeCAD. FreeCAD, are you aware? Are you any person is aware here in this call?
No, sir.
No issue. Maybe, yeah. So maybe that things we can leave it for later. So you can use FreeCAD without even having a real hardware. You will have your, along with enclosure, everything you will have. You can inspect here. You can check everything. So yeah. So done. Here we'll go. Once you are satisfied, just go to this plot. There is an option called plot. Go to plot. Once you go to plot, just make sure that if it is a single layer PCB, you don't want top, correct? Front copper. You don't want front page, you don't want bottom silk screen if you have not placed any component in bottom. Make sure if it is some, let us say if you put some jumper here in bottom side and you written some text, you should enable this silk screen. But there is nothing, we'll just skip it. Bottom mask we need, front mask we don't need. So this option should be there, selected properly. And then you have to select the directory properly. Let us say our directory is, I want in the project, let us create a folder, Gerber. So this is my project folder, project 2. You create here one folder called Gerber. And inside Gerber, you just make sure that, see, there is a problem. Let me close that problem, because if the problem will be there, this whatever we are doing is all confusing. It's all saved. Let me clear that. Since we have created our project inside project 2 is got created inside project 1. So whatever is there inside, maybe let me copy this folder, cut this folder and paste it outside. Paste it here. So now we have two project folder, project 2, project 2. This everything will move under this project 2. Okay, this is open. We have to close this guy also. Done. So now this is your project folder called project 2. So we have created a folder called Gerber. That folder is empty. That folder is empty. And this path you can copy or you can direct to that same folder. Now we'll open that project. File, open project. We'll go to that path. This is our project 2. We'll open the project. Now project is opened. See, we have moved the project location, but still the things will be intact. Nothing will be changed. So now we open the layout. So we have the layout here. Now go to the plot. Go to plot option. We don't want front copper. We don't want front paste. Bottom silk screen we don't want. Front mask we don't want. We want only to be the bottom side there will be copper, there will be bottom side there will be paste, exposed area for soldering, top side there will be silk skin, front side, bottom side there will be masked, and paste is, I think it's not necessary for fab. We can for when there will be assembling, component assembling, whoever the vendor provides, you can put paste, but it's not necessary, just have it or not, optional. Now go and set this output directory path properly. So we are inside this project 2. Inside project 2 we are inside the Gerber folder. Gerber folder is empty. Select this folder. It's saying that do you want to use the path related to this one? Yes, you want to use this path. The path which is showing is correct. Yes, just hit plot. It's saying that zone fills are out of dates. Refill. Yeah, you can do refill, or you can just continue without refill. Okay, refill means this zone, it is saying that the copper filling whatever we have done. So so now our Gerber file is generated. If you want to generate, then the next step is generate the drill file. Set the path. Make sure the path is same. Hit generate drill file. Done. Generate map file. That is also done. Now close it. Close this guy. Save it. Go to your folder, Gerber folder. You should be able to see all the files. Gerber file, drill file. That's all. So you should be able to see. This is the format of Gerber format of this KiCAD. Now you go to project 2, right click and compress to zip file. Gerber file is created. The only problem we have here is you guys did not practice. I only did this and just presented to you, how to do it. So now this Gerber file you can send for fab. There are many things to it, like a stack up setting, which you have to board setup. These things I think I should have explained. These things are very important, I think. Constants is also important thing. Okay, just first you guys work. Let me know if you guys really need the training, and then we can cover it up. Suresh sir?
Yes, sir. This is for enough now.
Yeah. So this
So,
covers the introduction of the KiCAD, not the full-fledged training. This just the
yeah.
introductory part. One
Yes,
or
sir.
two layer boards. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir. This is, I think, enough for we will develop for our training process. So maybe if you have any doubt, so I will call you. Otherwise, I will interact with you via WhatsApp also.
yeah.
So
Please let me know
maybe
if guys they need real if they want to understand more, and if you guys are feeling bored, please let me know. You guys will feel bored only when you will just watch this like YouTube. See, it's not entertainment thing, so you might not enjoy. You have to stress your mind. So whenever there is thing to stress your mind, you will feel bored. So that's why I was saying it should be interactive. Interactive means you should be having laptop, you should be working live, you should be following me. That will be useful for you.
yes, sir. Yeah. So maybe after we will work with the same portion. So after that, we are getting for some
No,
small doubt.
you have some assignment, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, sir.
Assignment, yeah. Just go ahead and present some. Some assignment for the guys to complete.
Yes, sir.
Some
Tell me, sir.
schematic.
Sure.
What should be the next assignment?
So next assignment, maybe this is the same thing only. What you were done now. So the same symbol and as other than footprint. So maybe based on any one base IC based day.
No. You please recommend any useful board, so the team will now the team has much understanding of the tool at least. So they should be able to follow, and they should be able to create the like a complete. They should be able to create the final PCB. So you
Yeah.
recommend any real board which will be useful. The team will be designing. We will review in the next session if and all it happens. If you
Yes,
guys
sir.
need.
This is for and also they need for the logic gate trainer kit, sir. Actually.
Yeah, so you just present any example. Like the last session, you recommended one a schematic that will make LED chaser. What
Yes,
you
yes,
guys will be
yes.
making for the next assignment? Some complex board, some next level of that.
Yeah,
Not one
yes,
layer,
yeah.
might be two layer. Team will be designing. Then only you'll come with the real question. See, unless you drive the cycle, you won't know what is the nuances, where you will fall and how to balance. Just knowing about cycle will not help you drive. You have to drive and you have to come up with the questions, you have to ask, okay, then only we'll move forward. So for that you have to give them the cycle, you give them the right cycle to drive. So what should be the next
Yes.
project? Give some
Yes, sir.
complex project, sir.
Yes, sir. It's the same thing only. This is a logic gate trainer application.
Which one?
This is
Can
one
you say,
problem.
can you present something?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is for logic gate based on some
No, no, we are not
already
able
they
to. Are you presenting something? I'm not able to see anything.
just a minute, sir.
Yeah,
I
please
will
go
show.
ahead.
மறுபடி அதுக்கு எதனா சர்க்யூட் இருக்குதா வச்சிருக்கீங்களா கையில?
இருக்கு சார். சார்
Yes, sir. The Mr. Mardubandi also share for the same application.
Okay, okay. Share Pandi.
Mr. Mardubandi.
Marudu Pandi. Okay. Sorry,
Yeah,
was
Mr. Murugan Mardubandi. Yeah.
I was calling him Morgan so far. Sorry if I mispronounce, guys. Please let me know. I will correct.
Yeah.
So
This
logic
is for
gates.
initial.
Sir. Logic gates, sir.
Which one, sir?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Just can you just go
Logic
ahead
gate.
and present your screen so that we can see that circuit diagram.
Okay, sir.
Is it logic gate?
No, sir, no, friend. This one.
Yes, sir. Same thing. Based on transistor, we will do for the logic gates and gate.
No, this is
And gate.
this is very simple, sir. Give some complex project.
Yeah.
Complex
Sir.
project means it should have some IC, some microcontroller, they should do some crystal, they should do some power, they should do some high voltage routing. Unless you give the real practice, see on the plain road everyone will drive the cycle. But if you tell to drive the cycle from all over the rural area of Tamil Nadu, then only they will be they will have the real experience, real understanding. See, here you will be maybe able to teach the people who don't know. But whoever has already practiced, if he questions more, that's all. You will not be able to answer any question unless you do some heavy practice.
Just a minute, sir. I will take the another one board.
Yeah, you just recommend some complex board so that it must not be possible in single layer. It must be in 2-layer. It should have some more complexity than whatever they have done in session 1. Or if you are just fine with the introduction, that's all. Well,
So this one, sir. LDR based.
Just a minute, sir. I will show.
yeah, sure. Sir.
Just a minute.
Wait,
This is possible, sir. Visible to here.
Yeah, maybe you can rotate it. There is a rotate button top left.
Yeah, yes.
You can rotate it so that you can see in right view. There is a rotate button, no?
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, top side.
Yeah, this one, sir.
Yeah, give this project to the guys.
Yes, sir. This is for pick based small application. Yeah, already this is available from our office. So anyway, we will do for same thing only also.
No, if there is any, if there is more enhancement needed, people can do that. Or they can
Yes,
design it.
yes.
Yeah.
This is a PIC 16F based process. This is for one of the PIC IC for DIP IC, 40 pin. This is for Max 232 IC also. So RS 232 and some two LED and 2 switches. So same thing. So the different type of peripherals interfacing with microcontroller and LCD also. So this is for our application. So we will do
Super,
it for
sir.
that. I mean, a two-layer PCB.
Very good, very good, very good. I think this will be a very good example. Let the
Yeah.
people design this, whoever really wants to learn the KiCAD, and they should design this board. Okay. Okay, sir. So we have this thing in our list, I think. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I think we are
Thank you
winding.
very much,
Yeah,
sir.
we are winding up our session now.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you very
And
much for your presentations.
no
It
issue,
is
no
very
issue, sir.
useful, very easy understanding for us.
No issue,
So,
sir.
so very thank you, sir. Thank
No,
you.
no problem, sir. Always welcome, always welcome. Yeah, simulation part and all other things. If you're interested, and if you really make progress, we make whenever you I think you feel convenient, we can have other sessions like simulation and other rest of the Q&A, question and answers. Yeah, I think we can wind
Sure,
up
sir.
here.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you guys
Thank you, sir.
enjoyed. Yeah.